Hi, my name is Joshua and I am from the League of Amazing Programmers. Today I'll be teaching you how to use simple input in Java using the scanner class. So the first thing you have to do is to remember to have import java.util.scanner. This will make us able to use the scanner class. Now, the second step is to print out the question you are asking. For example, what is your name? That is like an example question. And over here, it will print out what is your name. So second step is to have the scanner ready. So scanner equals new scanner system.in. That is the syntax for the scanner class. Now that you have the scanner, you have to use the scanner and get it into a string. So to get the input, you do scanner.nextLine. So here, this will let us type in what our name is on the next line after the print line here. So after we have the name, we can type in a greeting like, for example, hello, and then plus name, plus this, an exclamation mark. So this will, because this is a string concatenation, so it would print out hello, and then the name, and then the exclamation mark. So if we run this, it will ask us, what is your name? And then here on the next line, we can type in what our name is. So for example, Joshua, you press enter and it will write hello Joshua. And we can test it out with another name like Sally. And here it says hello Sally. Now that you know how to use simple user input in Java, you can test it out on your own. Thank you.